Welcome to Tummy to 5.
Guess today's surprise. Day 31. Open surprise treasure box. Surprise treasure box. Give us the surprise. Wow, a surprise egg. Open. What will we have for today? It's a zany surprise. Let's unwrap it. It smells good. The chocolate looks yummy. Let's crack it open. What will we have for today? Ooh! Sadness. Ooh! Look at that! Whoa! Ooh! 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 Whoa!
Did you know that dogs know when you are sad? When you feel sad, your dog will immediately pick up on this and adjust his behavior accordingly. He may become more subdued than usual, lose interest in his toys, and even refuse his food.
A new toy for our collection. Our collection is getting bigger. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page to get a chance to win Kinder Joy and Ziny Surprise Egg toys. For more information, visit www.tommyto5.com. You can also view 3D versions of Surprise Egg toys and even order Surprise Egg products, all at tommyto5.com. Guess tomorrow's surprise!